Hi, shwmae, Helen Thomas yma. Sesiwn arall, another session for you. Croeso I sesiwn 3, 5 mewn 5. I'll be teaching you some phrases to use in the classroom or with colleagues. So, to help you speak Welsh yn y dosbarth in class, you might ask a student, do you have a? Oes, something gyda ti. Using ti if you were talking to one person. Or oes, something gyda chi, if you're talking to a group, or a visitor, or a person you've just met, or maybe a senior member of staff. So what you're literally saying is there something with you? These words are quite easy, very much like the English. Beiro, cwestiwn, ffeil, papur. So if you were saying in Welsh, there are lots of ways of saying yes and no. So if the question starts with oes, yes is oes. I have a, my something gyda fi. Nac oes is no. I haven't got a. Does dim something gyda fi. For example, does dim papur gyda fi. I haven't got paper. Does dim pen gyda fi. I haven't got a pen. Does, and the next one, my cwestiwn gyda fi. I've got the question. Next slide, how to say are you. You can use the ti or chi form. Wyt ti'n is are you or do you. Neu, the plural, or to a person you've just met, an older member of staff. Dych chi'n, are you or do you. And here are some verbs. Understand, deall. Another adjective, happy, is hapus. And working, gweithio. And okay is iawn. You've got deall, hapus, gweithio, iawn. So a good way of checking up on your students or a visitor by asking, do you understand? Wyt ti'n deall? Or chi'n deall? Are you working? Wyt ti'n gweithio? Or chi'n gweithio? Asking someone, are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? Or chi'n iawn? Are you happy? Wyt ti'n hapus? Or chi'n hapus? Wyt ti'n hapus? Or dych chi'n hapus? So if the question starts with wyt ti'n or dych chi'n, another way of saying yes and no, is ydw, yes I am, or yes I do. Or nac ydw, no I am not, or no I don't. You've got ydw, nac ydw. Ydw, nac ydw. If someone answers in the plural then, they say yes we are, ydyn. Or the negative, no we are not, or no we don't, nac ydyn. So ydw, nac ydw, ydyn, nac ydyn. And then expressing a want or a need. Welsh, want or to need something is eisiau. 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 Do you want? Wyt ti eisiau. So taking wyt ti, from wyt ti'n hapus, are you happy? Do you want? Wyt ti eisiau. To one person or chi eisiau, to a group or a visitor. Wyt ti eisiau, chi eisiau. Help is help. A break. Egwyl. Egwyl. And discuss. Trafod. Trafod. So, chi eisiau help. Do you need help? Do you want to discuss? Wyt ti eisiau trafod? Chi eisiau egwyl? Do you want a break? Ydw, ydyn, nac ydw, nac ydyn. Quite a lot to absorb here, but let's take a few phrases and try and apply them to some lessons. How to ask if someone has done something. So you just add wedi to wyt ti or dy chi. The teacher, you could ask chi wedi or wyt ti wedi gorffen, orffen, gwneud, gwneud, siarad mewn grŵp, siarad mewn grŵp, dysgu, and dysgu means learn and teach, gweithio, deall. Have you finished? To a group. Chi wedi gorffen. Have you understood the work? Wyt ti wedi deall y gwaith? And have you understood the work to a group? Chi wedi deall y gwaith? So, eich tro chi. Your turn now. See how much you remember. Chi'n cofio? Do you have a pen? I haven't got a pen. Do you understand? Are you okay? Do you want help? Have you finished? Have you understood? Do you remember? Chi'n cofio? Do you have a pen? Oes pen gyda chi? I haven't got a pen. Does dim pen gyda fi. O does dim beiro gyda fi. Do you understand? Wyt ti'n deall? Are you okay? To a class, chi'n iawn? Do you want help? Wyt ti eisiau help? Have you finished? Chi wedi gorffen? Have you understood? Chi wedi deall? And da iawn? Very good. Os dych chi wedi deall popeth, don't panic if you can't remember everything. Just pick and choose a few phrases and use them yn y coleg gyda myfyrwyr, with students or with your colleagues. Hwyl fawr! Ta-ta! Tan toc!